So guys, the time is around 9 o'clock now and the gift nifty is opening in a bit of a positive side if you guys can see. So this is how the gift nifty is opening. Okay, so 24,710. So let's see how our nifty 50 will open. So guys, this is just about the market opening. So after the market opens, let's see how the trend will be. Okay, just because of a gap up or gap down, it doesn't mean that the market will continue on the same trend for the entire day. So let's wait and watch how the market will perform today. And also, I'm trading from 12 ES plus and I trade with my unique strategy without indicators. So if you guys wish to improve your trading skill and knowledge, do check out the description box. There is a link to connect with me personally on Telegram. So I'll be guiding you with my 12 ES plus of experience to improve your trading skill and knowledge and to grow your account and to avoid the mistakes which will cause a big mistake in trading journey. Okay, so I'll be guiding you all these things with my experience of my 12 years. So connect with me personally if you guys are interested to learn from me. Okay, so let's see how the market will open today. We still have a few minutes left to the market opening time. So after the market opens, I'll show you how the market is opening, and later I'll also be showing you what stock I'm selecting to trade with the levels, and then I'll be showing you my trade, what I do, and after that we'll discuss about the end of the day chart analysis of both nifty 50 and the stock what I've selected to trade. Okay, so anyway, let's wait and watch how the market will perform today. So guys, the time is around 9:08 now and we can see here the pre-open market is just closed and the pre-open market is opening at 24,641. So it's almost opening in a flat side. Yes, so as of now we have a resistance somewhere close to 24,700. If that breaks, we might see the market go up, and the support level as usual it's around 24,500 to 24,400 level. So let's see how the market will perform today. So the market has not yet opened, just the pre-open market is closed. So within few minutes I'll be selecting my stock and I'll be updating you on what stock will be trading for today. So guys, the market is trading completely flat as of now and the time is around 9:20 now. So right now I've selected Nestle India stock to trade, not yet entered. So above 1530 is a buying side. If it comes below 1520, it's a short sell zone. So let's wait and watch how it will perform for the day. So guys, yes, now let's talk about the end of the day chart analysis, and let me tell you that today the market was completely flat. So firstly, let's talk about the trade what I've done today, and later we'll be discussing on nifty 50 and everything. Okay, so first of all, I've traded on Nestle India stock for today. So somewhere close to 1522 is where I short sold, and let me tell you, it was a very small trade what I've taken today. So below 1522 it was a short sell side, and later you can see here the price has come down till almost 1517 almost, and then we can see that it has taken a support and gone up. But also you need to see that the stock was also completely sideways, range bounded. I'll tell you the reason why. Okay, because let me just quickly pull up the nifty 50 chart here. So if you see the nifty 50 chart, you can see that the market today has opened at 24,641. Okay, so you can see the opening price here, and if I put it in 1 day time frame, the market today opened at 24,641. It has gone up till 24,677 and it has come down till 24,604. So imagine only 40 to 30 point of momentum only today for entire day. So this is how the nifty 50 has performed for today. So this is the only movement what we have got today, and you can see here this movement is very less for intraday trading. So in this kind of situation it becomes very tricky to trade. Okay, so some stock will not give you movement, some stock will not give you the right entry, so all these things will happen. So anyway, this was a moment what we have got on nifty 50 today. So this was the lowest and this was the highest point. That's what, only 30 to 40 points of momentum today in nifty 50. So not much of a momentum at all in today's market. So that's why our stock, the trade what we have done, has not given much moment at all. Okay, so now if you see nifty 50 today, again it has closed at 24,636 level. So now we can see that the resistance is somewhere around still 24,700, and the support level is still around 24,500 to 24,400 level as of now, as we have not got much momentum today. So there is nothing much update on a new level. So let's see how the market will perform on upcoming days. So today the top gaining stock was Reliance. Okay, it has moved up by almost 4% today. So if you can see, this is the Reliance chart what you are seeing. So even Reliance stock also, it was at a support point from a lot of days, if you see. Okay, so this was a support point what it has taken, and now it has gone up till 1270. It has gone up till 1321 for today. So the resistance lies somewhere close to 1335. So if that resistance breaks, we might see the upper trend to continue in Reliance. Please note, this video is completely for an educational purpose. These are not a recommendation. Okay, and the other stock what we saw a big momentum shift and a big gain is SBIN. Today it has gone up by 3% almost. So SBIN, you can see it is almost going in a upper side from last continuous couple of days. Okay, so it is now trading at its resistance point what we have around 1100 level. So that's the resistance point what we can see in the chart as of now. So today it has closed at 1086 for the day. And the top loser stock for today was Power Grid, which is come down by 4% today. So you can see here this stock has given a breakout somewhere close to its support level what it had around 280 level. So it has crossed and it has come down to 270 level. Okay, so it's a big fall in a stock what we are seeing here. From the last couple of days it was completely on a downtrend. So the next support level is somewhere close to 250 for this particular stock. And the next stock which has fallen much today is Tata Steel. So Tata Steel has come down by 2% today. Okay, and this stock is also correcting, I can tell. So it's still in a support point. Okay, so it has a good support around 181. From there it has retraced a bit. Okay, you can see from last 2-3 days there was a bit of a retracement what we are seeing, but today it has taken a key resistance, I can tell, somewhere close to 190, and it has come down, and today it has closed at 189.30 for today. So anyway, this is how the Tata Steel stock has performed for the day. So if we quickly put it in 15 minutes time frame, so this is how the chart looks. Okay, so you can see it has completely bearish for the day. So this is how the top gainers and top loser stock has performed for today, guys. Okay, so Reliance and SBN were two top gainers for today, even in this kind of market situation. So Power Grid and Tata Steel are top loser stock for today. See, however, the market situation is, there will be stocks which will perform. The skill matters. Okay, it all depends on what is the skill you have to select the right stock and make the right entries and exit and to manage your capital. Okay, so anyway, this was my today's trade. Of course, Nestle India has not given too much of an volatility or too much of a momentum today, but it was okay to take my small trade. So when I see a market opening flat, I come to the mindset that there is no much momentum in the market today, so I should take a small trade or exit soon for the day. Okay, if I see a good volatile day, then it is, that's when I plan to make a good trade and take a big trade or take a big target or something like that. But anyway, that was not the day today, so we just need to think positively like that. And also we need to know that not every stock will perform every single day. Okay, so when you're doing intraday, you need to know that what is the risk and what is the reward you will be getting. Okay, and if you have a right skill and knowledge, 1 or 2 days of no performance should not hurt you. It should keep you going. Okay, so anyway, this was my today's trade and performance, guys. So let's see how the market will be there for tomorrow. We are hitting that resistance point, I can tell. So that's why the market is consolidating, going sideways and everything. Let's see, will the market continue this uptrend or not. Okay, so if the market continues to go and break the resistance level of 24,700, then touch 25,000, so then it will be a good big bullish momentum is what I can tell, or else it can again come back to 24,000 level as a next important support point, is what my view is if the market turns bearish. Okay, so anyway, it all depends on global cues. Okay, so that's what market is. Okay, so it's not always as smooth as that, but anyway, the market will give you the breakout and it might continue to go up if we have the patience to hold, and if we actually follow the discipline, we might see a good uptrend in the market as well in the upcoming days. Of course, it can take time. So anyway, let's see. The market has closed completely flat today, so that's the end of the market analysis for today. So let's see how the market will perform tomorrow. So I'll be showing you my tomorrow's analysis and tomorrow's trade, what I'll be doing, whatever I get tomorrow. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.